Want to grow plants in a small and low-lit room? Here are the best low-light hanging houseplants that can be a perfect fit. Number 1. Pothos. Pothos needs no mention when it comes to low-light rooms. This low-maintenance, air-purifying plant with heart-shaped variegated leaves looks adorable in hanging baskets. Number 2. Philodendron. Many philodendron varieties favor indirect light, making them ideal for low-light rooms. For variegated ones, make sure they get some indirect light once in a while. Number 3. Spider plant. The cream-white spiderets dangle beautifully over the rims of hanging baskets. This versatile plant adapts well to low-light conditions. Number 4. Chinese evergreen. Aglaonema is a gorgeous houseplant that adjusts well to any indoor environment. Pick the best variety here for growing in hanging baskets. Number 5. English ivy. The green-lobed leaves with creamy edges of this plant spill gracefully over the edges of the hanging baskets, making it look super stunning in low-lit rooms. Number 6. Syngonium. Syngonium looks gorgeous in hanging baskets, and you can also grow charming pink varieties for an exquisite view at home. It performs well in low-light settings. Number 7. Peperomia. Peperomia can withstand low indirect light, making it a good companion for hanging baskets. It displays heart-shaped leaves in red, gray, green, and cream hues. Number 8. Donkey's tail. Also popular as burro's tail, this low-light succulent grows up to 2 to 4 feet long, with dangling fat stems covered in beautiful gray-green leaves. Number 9. String of bananas. This low-light succulent with small, plump banana-shaped leaves looks pretty cool in hanging baskets. Normal room temperature is ideal for growth. Number 10. String of pearls. This trailing succulent with pearl-like plump leaves prefers filtered light. Avoid watering it daily for the best growth. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.